Hello, welcome to assignment 3. We will continue with our assignment. Let's extract here. Okay. Then this is our assignment. I will, as I said before, I have created a GitHub branch, a GitHub repository for this lecture, and you can see the commits here. Okay. So that let's copy our assignment and go to documents, GitHub, our repository, and paste it here. Okay. Let's give that name, homework 3 maybe. Okay. Then, as you see, homework 3. Let's commit our code to main branch. I didn't create a new branch because every code is separate file, not just a bunch of big project. Okay, so that I don't need to create branch. Okay, as you see, we have submit our code to main branch. Then open PyCharm Professional. Then open, come our documents, GitHub. Yes, here. Then open it, Trust project. Okay. Now this is our NPA file. I have seen first. I think it's about the NumPy. There's some image. Let's scanning index. It's I think about to find anything, so that that's indexing in NumPy Professional, because when you do shift you can search any file here. Okay, maybe it is, and maybe you're searching this function name, you can search like that. Okay. Okay, we will configure our Python interpreter. As you know, we are creating new virtual environment for our projects. Every project we create our virtual environment to run Python. Okay. Then, as you can guess, there's some functions. I know MATLAB, but I don't, as we see in the lecture, TensorFlow. Okay, let's look at our homework. There's a short homework here. Compare the previous one. We have some assignments. Okay. If there is yes, there is some change. But first of all, let's create our virtual environment. Okay. Come, project section, settings. Yes, Python interpreter. Then we will create new local interpreter. Okay. There is no just a pip library. We have created a virtual environment. Okay. Then what was our function name is TensorFlow. Okay. Then come here, find TensorFlow by TensorNet. I will ask ChatGPT. I don't know this library, but I know Matplot. Matplotlib. Yes, we need to sketch something so that I will install Matplotlib. Then write. I need pip. TensorFlow. TensorFlow. Oh, there it is. I've been searching for you. Okay, in virtual environment file, we are installing our necessary files, necessary libraries in here. I think it's in the git ignore file, because I don't know, but I don't see the code here. But it's good because it may be heavy files in a virtual environment. Okay, it's installing. I will pause the video, then continue when it's done. I have searched how to install TensorFlow in Python, but I find it. It's still installing. I don't know, but I can show here. It's downloading, but it didn't finish yet. So only choice to me it's just wait. Okay. When it's finished, I will continue the video. Okay, it's done. It took a lot. Let's continue with. Did we install Matplotlib? Yes, we did. It's updating again, and we shouldn't see that Yeah, we don't need it, but I don't want to see that because we have Python package. We have installed our, we have set up our interpreter. Let's wait for updating. Yes. Okay. st yeah, it is done. Let's try to run it. Module and font numpy. Let's install it. Sorry. Install numpy. Okay, apply. Okay. Sorry, I made it long, but it should work. Let's run again. Not found numpy, but we installed it. TensorFlow. Import sequential. I don't know if I start this. Not found numpy. Why? Let's look at again. NumPy. Here, I already installed it. TensorFlow. TensorFlow. I already installed it, TensorFlow, as you can see. It's maybe about sequential, I don't know. Let's look at again. Let's install sequential. Dense. I don't supposed to get error, but okay, let's close it. Terminate. Let's open it again. It should work because I did every homework to this operation. Please. Yes. Notebook package being installed. Come on. It is about notebook. There is some mess here. I don't know. I didn't start this code piece. Let's discard it. Okay. Close and open again. Anyway, continue. Let's start. It's okay. We have seen neural networks in our lecture. To load data, let's put breakpoint and continue. Can I see? It's okay when you continue. Let's print out. Okay. Okay, as you see, some printing stuff. It's learning about shape 1400, 1001. Let's visualize our data. Yes, done. Okay, now we are good. Model representation, there are some layers. I think this picture from our lesson. 3 dense layers, this dense, since the image size 20 cross 20, this give 400 inputs, right? Then TensorFlow implementation, as we see in lesson. Model built layer by layer, a layer input dimension calculated for you. Thanks. Specify layer output dimension, determine next layer. Okay. Let's look at our. I don't write anything. Okay. And let's look. Okay. Expected output. Okay. There is some mess here. I didn't solve, but it shouldn't pass all tests. Okay. Yes. Now we are good. I will finish this code so that we can pass the test. Okay. I don't know, but when I click this button, it's start all code. I'm sorry about it, but this is important for me. I will do one by one, okay, so that continue with the exercise, sequential model and dance layer, okay. Then with a sigmoid, we did in the, sorry, please don't, sigmoid activation, we have calculated before in the previous homeworks, okay. Let's construct a network describe in this code piece, okay. Then we should see the expected result. I will pause and do with you. Okay, let's continue. We will write our code here in the we are building a simple neural network, TensorFlow sequential model. The network has input layer accept a vector of 400 features representing a pixel values for of a digit image. Hidden layers, first layer with 25 units, yes, and sigmoid activation. Second layer with 15 units and sigmoid activation. Then output layer is a single unit with sigmoid activation, which outputs a value between 0 and 1. It's useful for yes, binary classification. Okay, we have important here sequential and dense in here. Okay, so we can use that. Okay, let's write it. Come on, TF class input. Then let's give shape. Copilot is running. Let's disable it. Okay, so we can write all by now. Let's give shape. I'm using Copilot, by the way. But let's look at that code. Okay, we don't have to write it. Then just we are also in sequential. Okay, this is specify input size with 400 with features. Then dense 25 activation. Come here. It's first hidden layer with 25 units neurons and sigmoid activation. Let's start here. Okay, don't waste our time. Time is important. 15. Same thing, activation sigmoid. Okay, let's write it. It's second hidden layer with 15 units of sigmoid activation. Okay, then let's write the third output layer. Output layer with 1 unit sigmoid activation. Okay, then start. Okay, some GPU library, please make sure missing libraries. Come on. Okay, then model summary. Then look at dense. Why it's saying dense? Okay, let's look at parameters. None 25, none 15, none 15. Okay, it's good, but layer type dense. But I think it's same. Okay, we are good. Yes. Okay, we are good. Then let's test it. It's from public test. We should pass the test. My model has been does. Why? And model summary, our model here. Okay, then we should start this test. I think we have imported. Why it's not working? Unit test, target. public test C1. Let's put a breakpoint and debug it. Debug cell. Why it's not working? I don't know, but I have been searched this error. I couldn't find. Sorry about it. I will ask my teacher. But if I test this, there is no error, as you can see. The desired output is true. Okay, this running all thing and good, I think. Yes. Now continue with the NumPy model implementation. Okay, it's 0101. Exercise 2. I will continue with the exercise 2. Okay. Okay, let's continue. What we are going to do? Dense layer manually using NumPy. First compute the dot product input in and weight omega for each unit at the corresponding bias to computed result. Then apply the activation function. Okay, let's write our code here in number of units in the layer. It's column of weight. Then it's initialize output vector with zeros. Okay. Then let's write our for loop here. For j in range, okay, units. Okay. Double loop float each unit in the layer. Okay. Then each unit in layer. The z value equal this NumPy dot product some mess here, omega double comma j. Okay, then another comma a in. Okay, then after the dot product plus bias j. Okay, what we did here? Compute weighted sum plus bias for unit j. Okay, then a out j equal to 0. What we did here? Apply activation function g to result. Okay, function. Then returning it. Let's run if there is error. No. Let's compute. Expected result is true. I'm afraid to run test. Oh, all tests passed. I think the other tests tricky. I don't know. Okay. Now make some prediction. Okay, run the following cell prediction about NumPy for TensorFlow model. Okay, it's running. Conversion scalar and will feature ensure that your single element from array before. I don't know, something mess here. On to third step. Can I? Okay. Let's debug. Can I debug this cell? I don't know. Let's quit it. Okay. And debug cell. I want to look at it. Okay. Okay, we're here. Then continue. Okay, but why I take this error? Stop all. Run it again. Today is some bad day, I think. I don't know. Conservation scalar. with error feature ensure that you exert single element from array before performing the operation, but I did. Let's pause the video. Okay, I have solved the problem. As you can see, the error occurs because my prediction and TF prediction. By the way, I use ChatGPT and Copilot. I don't know exactly how Python and NumPy works. I'm C#.NET Core guy, but I want to learn NumPy, by the way. Let's look at our even if they contain single value using that item. Okay, we explicitly extract the single scalar values from the array, ensuring the compatibility with newer NumPy versions where direct array to scalar conservation is deprecated. Okay, that item takes the single value from the array, returns it the Python scalar, okay, integer or float, avoiding the warning. Okay, let's continue. Then exercise 3, I think it's last exercise. Yes. Where is? Yes, there is. I will pause the video and come with the solution. Okay, in this exercise, we are implementing a vectorized dense layer using NumPy. Instead of computing the output for one example at a time, we compute the output for multiple examples in the single matrix operation. This layered NumPys, NPy efficiently perform the dot product for all examples at once, reducing computational overhead. Okay, then it's basic code, just z equal NumPy mat mul, okay, multiply a in comma omega plus b. Okay, we are writing our dense function. What did we here? Compute z equal x omega plus yes, okay, for all examples. Then a out, not in, out, where's out? Yes, it's our function gz, okay, and give it z. Let's apply activation function g and z. Okay, then run it. Okay, let's run our unit test. All pass, thanks God. Okay, predictions. Okay, then let's run it. I hope we don't get any error this time. I'm exhausted with the errors. Okay, yes, new error here. Index 0 is out of bounds. What a nice. Why? Random index errors. It is our part of my job. It is part of our job. It's coming with the error. I'm just plotting something, but why? It's not. Maybe it's. You can see misclassified. I think it's about this part. Maybe. Let's delete it. Okay. And run again. Run again, please. Okay, there is some error. Then compute all again. Sometimes I hate my job. Okay. I don't know. It's about errors, but we didn't get any error. Okay, then run it again. Run this code, and test. Define our sequential head. Yes, but we should. I couldn't solve it. Sorry. Okay, I have modified this code piece with ChatGPT. If there is no error, okay. NumPy why Okay, let's continue with other part. Okay, let's this is good example in neural network is very important topic in machine learning, but some I have exhausted to getting errors in many places, but I couldn't solve it. Maybe it's about that, but I don't know. I have fixed this code piece, then roll back again, but I couldn't solve. There is no such thing errors, so it's index bounding error. There's nothing to show, I think. Okay, there is some values to classification not fitting our values, but maybe this part showing that the plotting. Okay, but I couldn't solve it. Sorry. That's some good example. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. And sorry about late submission.